Education, the fundamental foundation for any country, state, or nation. Education, the mother of all profession that help us acquire all position. I feel extremely positive after delivering the above enthusiastic lines on the field which we all are related to. Well, hello everyone and very good evening. I, Faizan Sayyed, your host of the evening, welcome you to the prestigious webinar. I feel so delighted that you all have made it here today. Dr. Sarvabali Radhakrishnan, one of the India's best and most influential 20th century scholar, powerful and inspiring teacher, quoted that end product of education should be a free creative man who can battle against historical circumstances and adversities of man. A best teacher is one who makes student an independent thinker. You all professors, vice chancellor, educationalists are the effective teachers who have generated wonderful minds for future. The current pandemic paused everything, but not the super achievers. It has in fact made us more resilient, effective, and technologically updated. As we say, diamond need not explain how radiant they are. They just keep shining. Whoever shall admire their brilliance will find their way to them. Similarly, we at the Asia GCC Conference and Awards, presented by Pharma Global Management Services, contemplated of revealing you all beautiful diamonds present among us by crediting for the work you all have done for the society. I once again welcome you all to the most innovative webinar of Asia GCC Conference and Awards for Excellence and Leadership in Education, presented by Pharma Global Management Services. Now, I call upon Dr. Fareen Khan, Chairperson Asia GCC Conclave, Chief Editor, Late Brand Magazine, co-founder and CFO, Golden Aim Awards, for welcome speech. Over to you, ma'am.
I, Fareen Khan, co-founder and CFO of Golden Aim, Chairperson Asia GCC Award.
I would like to thank you all the participants, speakers, and other guests for gracing this occasion. The objective of the award is to recognize and felicitate individuals who have demonstrated outstanding contribution in their respective field across Asia and Gulf Cooperative Council. Education is very important from personal development as well as for the socio-economic development of our country. It empowers and motivates our mind to conceive the good thoughts and ideas and grow our knowledge day by day. Moreover, education helps us in acquiring new skill and techniques. If we talk about the importance of education in our daily life, we have to admit that it improves our personal lives and helps in running the society smoothly by protecting everyone, including ourselves, from the harmful and unexpected events. Digital education is the ingenious use of digital technologies and tools throughout teaching and learning, and is frequently known as digital learning. Digital learning is placing traditional education procedure more and more each and every day. Most of our schools and institutes are adopting this technology as a solution while the traditional education system is suspended for some time because of the current prevailing conditions. And hence, it is very crucial for us to acknowledge some of the major advantages of the digital education system. On the other hand, students learn using these digital tools and technology, become more active, and they are also developing their knowledge base. Students learn many new things from this digital tools and technology. In many countries, colleges, schools, and elementary schools have opted this strategy of online education during this pandemic. As a result, teachers and students have had to quickly alter their teaching methods, regardlessly of whether they were experienced in it and prepare for online education. Because of this situation, a proper term has appeared in this academic domain, emergency in remote education. The contribution and the hard work of the education professionals deserves our gratitude each and every day. And I'm very pleased to connect with the best of the best professional experts today. Each award winner will be felicitated by a trophy and a wooden citation as a memento. Moving further, I request Professor Syed to continue with the webinar ceremony.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a wholehearted welcome speech. Our next award category is Iconic Principal Award, and the award goes to Dr. C. Veera Bhau, Principal, V.O. Chidambaram College, Thoothukudi. Congratulations, sir. Can we have few words from you, sir?
Good evening, everybody. I'm Dr. C. Veerabahu, Principal, V.O. Chidambaram College, Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu. I have been serving this esteemed institution as principal for the past 10 years. Our V.O. Chidambaram College is a 71-year-old traditional institution with a vision, education for all. Mission, we have been developing our society in all fields through higher education. The uniqueness and basic ethics of my college is that it is run in a non-commercialized way with no capitation being collected for either appointments for admission. We cater to the downtrodden people in and around Thoothukudi, which is a small town in the semi-urban category at southern part of Tamil Nadu. I have served this institution for a total 26 years and 10 years as principal. I have brought in great laurels during my tenure with the unstinting support and cooperation of my committed faculty members of our college. I would like to highlight very few. I have elevated our college to be one among top 100 colleges in NIRF India ranking with a score of 77th rank in the year 2019, 68th position in the year 2020, and 54th rank in the year 2021, respectively. During my tenure, our college was accredited by NAC with A grade with CGPA 3.31 out of 4. In an attempt to motivate young minds, the students are made to enhance their life skills by taking up career-oriented programs. In association with the Bharathasan University Trichy IECD department, we have signed MOU for the students community in not only for that academic as well as they are trained in skills to make them employable. We have signed several MOUs and we have got a MIC also from the government of India. Recently, in this year, we have got 3.5 stars out of 4. Among the several MOUs, I would like to say a few MOUs. Study in India, a flagship program sponsored by Government of Education. V.O. Chidambaram College has been recognized as one among the partner institute for the overcoming students to come and join in our college. Apart from that, we have established VOC Academic is a cell which has been functioning effectively to enhance their interview skills and language communication skills. And apart from that, the competitive examination also. So due to these effects, our students, although they have hailing from the poor background, rural areas, and first generation learners have reached great pinnacles, is being employed in MNCs such as Cognizant, Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, TCS, L&T, and the international placement FOSTO. I have also motivated my students to pursue more than 25 certification courses run by Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, Dehradun, for remote sensing and GIS course, for which we have signed a letter of intent with the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, Dehradun, which is very unique in the southern part of India. I am also proud to state we have recently received UGC Stride Component 1 and UGC Parama schemes also for the rupees 88 lakhs and 30 lakhs respectively. Apart from that, we have received a grant from CSR grant. We have received a CSR grant from ONGC for the purchase of equipments for the development of our geology department. At the outset, our college has been developed, our college, 10 departments have been elevated as a research center by our Manonmaniam Sundaranath University. We have established Students Amenities Center also in our college for the welfare of the students. Apart from that, we have been conducting several student support services program also. At the outset, this is the time to thank all my Asia GCC members and jury members also for giving me a wonderful opportunity to talk about our institution. And on behalf of our institution, on behalf of our management, on behalf of my own, I thank all the members and all the principals, all the educationists, those who are all here. From the bottom of my heart, I thank all the jury members for selecting me for getting this award. Thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, sir. Many congratulations for the award.
Thank you, ma'am.